Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be making curried shrimp. We're gonna be using these vegetables: okras, bell peppers, onions and garlic, and carrots, and this Walker's Wood curry paste. To begin, we're gonna be cleaning our shrimp by taking the tails off and deveining them, and then we're gonna be washing it in vinegar and water. Here I'm washing my carrot and scraping it, then I'll shred it and continue with the prepping process of the rest of the vegetable. Okay, so now we're gonna season our shrimp. We are gonna use our Sazon Tropical, our Mrs. Dash Original Blend, Maggie All-Purpose, and we are not gonna leave out our green seasoning. If you want to see how I made the green seasoning, I have a video. Okay, so now it's time for the curry. Let me know down below how you use your curry. Do you burn the curry before, or do you just add the curry to your shrimp or chicken or whatever you're cooking? I, for one, do not mind. So as you can see, we're frying up our vegetables, letting them get a little bit cooked. We're now going to add some water and begin the process of creating our sauce. To create our sauce, we're going to begin by adding the Walker's Wood curry paste into the water, and we are going to stir it to help it dissolve. After it has dissolved, we are going to add our cornstarch mixture. Just before you put it in, give it another stir and then add just a little bit and allow it to thicken while you stir, and gradually add a little bit and stir some more. When you reach a consistency that you like, you can stop. However, I haven't used all of my mixture. You'll see me adding it later on. I'm gonna now add my okras. This is optional. You do not have to add okras to your curry shrimp. Now that we've added our shrimp, we're gonna cover the pot and give them a few minutes to simmer. After approximately 4 to 5 minutes, you can check on your shrimp. If they are not fully pink, which means they are not done, you can flip them over and give them a few more minutes. And that's it for today, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.